What's going on?
Looking for Aaron.
Aaron?
Is he not up there?
Who's Aaron?
Aaron? Thompson.
Oh, so I'm guessing you're not the guy that called?
No.
Okay. Mind just keeping your hands out of your pockets for me?
Oh, it's just...
So apparently...
He's trying to go in my garage. It's on video. You can see him at the door. You can see he had his phone in his hand or something.
Oh, I'm freaking shaking. I know I'm shaking. Yeah, he does not have a
Look, he's right
girlfriend.
there, trying to go in my garage. You see his phone in his hand?
Mm-hmm.
On April 8th, 2025, at approximately 5:20 in the morning, an officer responded to a residential call in a suburban neighborhood. What made this encounter legally significant was not the hour, but the object reportedly in the suspect's hand as he approached an unlocked garage, a stone.
What's going on?
I'm looking for Aaron.
Aaron?
Is he not up there?
Who's Aaron?
Aaron? Thompson.
Oh, so I'm guessing you're not the guy that called?
No, I'm not there.
Okay. Mind just keeping your hands out of your pockets for me?
Oh, it's just...
Alright.
keys.
Alright, you been walking around tonight?
No. I'm working on my car. My girlfriend came over. I saw a girl help those guys. I walked into their yard, which I shouldn't have done. And I asked if Aaron was there. And they woke up. It's the morning and they didn't like it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. Just looking for my girlfriend.
Alright. So you've been working on your car all night?
Well, off and on.
Off and on?
Doing a brake job on it.
Alright, you been drinking all night or?
Nah, not all night. Just,
No.
I don't even have a buzz. I'm just trying to find her.
So you're looking for your girlfriend? You thought that she'd be in...
I thought she was up there helping these guys.
Why would she be helping those guys?
Because I started getting a car, helping these guys, drive up there, and then kind of stop in that area.
Okay, so she left in a car, but you saw
With
the...
this now, I don't know, dude.
Okay.
I don't know where the hell she's at. But
Have you tried
no
to call her?
problems. I apologize to those guys. Well, I might have smarted off, but they smarted
Have you
off.
tried to call her?
I'm trying to right now.
Okay.
But everything's good.
Alright, are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
You don't need no fire rescue, no nothing like that?
Huh?
You don't need fire rescue, nothing like that? You're okay?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
I just want her, obviously.
Hello.
Hi, I literally just got off the phone with him.
Okay. By creepy neighbor, do you know where this creepy neighbor lives?
He's right there with
Okay.
his garage door open.
Okay, so we already talked.
I'm guessing he flagged you guys down, right?
Yep.
No, baby. Go inside. No. Go inside.
Hi.
Yeah, I was shaky when I was talking to the dispatch. I'm like, I'm so sorry. But he said he was going to catch you guys all up. Obviously, my husband's humongous dually is not here, so he was well aware of that. I just heard screaming, but I thought I was dreaming. And I heard somebody say, I heard screaming, but I couldn't, hear until I got on the camera because my husband called me and he's like, hey, that motherfucker's in our yard. Call the cops now. And I'm like, what? What mother? Like, what? Like, I'm sleeping. So he's like, our creepy ass neighbor. So obviously he got a visual of him. And once I got on the camera when I was talking to dispatch, I can clearly as day see that he was working his way to the back of our house. So I was telling him.
Could you make out what he was yelling?
No,
No?
not him, no.
Okay.
But I told him, I'm like, it's very crazy because he watches us a lot. So I'm like, he was well aware that my husband was leaving. He never leaves this early, but they had a 4 a.m. pour, so he's gone tonight. This morning. And I was like, what a coincidence that tonight, like today, he wants to come in our yard because he sees that his work truck's not right there in the So I don't know what he wanted, but I told dispatch, we have had, and we've been so nice not to call the cops already, just on what he's done already. But he's a very creepy guy. I think he lives by himself. He doesn't look to be with anyone. We tried looking up, like, if he's a pedophile or anything, because we have kids. When we first moved in, and she's not very happy. But he has been, so when this house was under construction, he would say, no, baby, he he would say, one time he said,
She's catching us up real quick.
he's like, I helped myself and walked in the house because I wanted to see what it looked like. He's like, whose house is this? And my husband's like, it's mine. I'm the contractor and we didn't give you permission to go in there.
What's the deal with him?
He's very...
I want him trespassed. Like, I leave to go to work.
Right.
I have my family here, you know what I'm saying?
No, I understand. I understand why you're concerned.
Like, I just left concrete on the job.
He talks to any of y'all?
No. And I go walking over there with my kids and he will open his garage and just
He's seen
watch
you this
me.
morning. His garage has been open since I left.
He will watch me. He is the creepiest guy in the world. I've never... Like, all our neighbors are so nice.
Like, I'm fed up with this dude. Like, if y'all don't take this money, I'm gonna take this money.
My kids would drive bikes right here, like, because we don't let them go on the road. This road is never busy unless there's church, you know, and then the cars go by slow. And he will purposely stab on his Mustang. I'm talking about full speed. And he sees my kids. We don't know what his issue is. We've been here a year in May.
He didn't talk to either one of y'all?
No, not one of us.
He told me, so he said he was looking for his girlfriend, who apparently is, yeah. And I say, so
He's
apparently...
trying to go in my garage. It's on video.
Yeah.
Can I see that video?
Yeah. Show him the video.
Adrian, you need to go inside, baby.
He has no girlfriend.
No, he doesn't at
They
all.
say, so what he was saying was that his girlfriend was over, she got in a car to help someone. She got in a car and then that car briefly stopped here and he's looking for
There's
her.
no.
We pulled up here. I got out and walked in the backyard and heard somebody yell. Come back out here.
He's yelling them down.
Standing out in the corner calling for us.
Yeah, well, I know it's him. I seen him on
He's trying to
No,
cover
he
up
admitted
his.
to me that he was in this yard and that he mouthed you guys off.
He always does that. He mouths us off, and I'm just like, you're the one.
No,
being
I'm saying
creepy.
tonight he mouthed
Yeah,
you
on the
off.
camera.
Oh,
When I was
yeah,
talking
he
on the
always
camera.
Oh, you
mouths
talked
us
to him on
off.
camera?
Yeah.
Well, I just told him, like,
Look,
get out of my yard, and he's
Okay.
like, all right, well, you too.
Okay.
I
Like,
really do think that he's not right. Look, this is him right here. 501, and that's when my husband called me like immediately after and was like, call the cops. He's in our yard. Look.
Carrying the same beer can here.
Yeah, he's probably intoxicated. And then my husband starts, I'm going.
What building was he trying to get into?
The one back here.
He's trying to
The
get inside
shed.
over the garage.
Trying to get in there, just walking
I
back.
So do you
don't-
have a different camera angle?
Yeah,
or
the
you just-
backyard.
The backyard, you can see him.
That's whenever he turned around when he heard me talk to him on the first camera. You can see him at the door. You can see he had his phone in his hand or
Oh,
something.
I'm shaking. I know I'm shaking. Yeah, he does not have a
Look, he's right
girlfriend.
there. He's trying to go in my garage. You see his phone in his hand?
Mm-hmm.
And that's when he started to walk back out.
And your garage is locked?
No, it's not.
Oh, so he never
usually
made
is.
entry?
No, he grabbed right when I talked to him basically right when he walked up to
He
the
basically
door.
got startled.
Alright.
But I'm just.
I think
He's
you got
just,
enough to
he's
do on
not,
film.
he does not have a girlfriend. We are certain of that. We've looked up. So his parents live
When
right
I was
next
when I was
door.
building the house, the inspector told me that they have 2 kids. One kid that I guess he lives perfectly fine. He works for an electric company.
And this one's
And this
a grown
motherfucker
one
that's 50
living
years
in his
old,
parents'
you know?
house. But he's
Alright.
just,
Do y'all have your license on you?
yeah, I
Yeah.
do.
Alright.
Well, not on you, but.
I have mine.
That's it.
Like I'm not okay with this guy. You know, I'm not okay going back to work with this guy out here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't blame you either.
I got
Can
3
I
kids.
get a good phone number for you?
Yeah.
If I had my...
We've dealt with him before. Strange shit like this. He calls these people in his backyard and all this crazy shit.
Yeah. Well, you're gonna see me in this front yard pretty.
I cannot stop shaking. I think it's just because. Yeah, I think we've been nice enough not to call the cops for, like I said, what he has in his mind. He doesn't have. There's nobody ever there.
Alright, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go add these to my car. Alright?
And then, like,
Out of the way.
and that's what I said. We've never
Like,
called the cops,
you know?
but this is just.
but I'm
getting
just
out of
like I'm
hand.
done. I'm fed up.
If I send you guys a link, are you able to submit that ring footage?
Yeah, we've done it. Yeah,
Alright.
we're
Beer
kind of
can.
hiding it, but
So that's just gonna be the case number assigned to this.
Go on back.
I can do that.
It's pretty user friendly.
Okay.
But alright.
This case turns on the 2-element framework governing loitering and prowling in most American jurisdictions. The first element requires presence at a time, place, or manner not usual for law-abiding citizens. The second element requires circumstances warranting a justifiable and reasonable alarm for the safety of persons or property nearby. Both elements must be satisfied at the moment of the officer's observation and cannot be reconstructed after the fact. This standard was reinforced by the Florida Supreme Court in State v. Ecker, decided in 1975. The Ecker decision saved modern loitering statutes from the vagueness challenge established in Papachristou v. City of Jacksonville. In Papachristou, the Supreme Court struck down older vagrancy laws for granting police unbounded discretion over ordinary citizens. Modern statutes survive constitutional review only because they demand specific, articulable, alarming conduct rather than mere presence. Here, pre-dawn entry into a fenced yard, approach to a garage door, and a stone in hand together supply that specific conduct. The initial detention itself is governed by Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968. Terry permits a brief investigatory stop when an officer can articulate reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. A dispatched call from an identified homeowner, corroborated by the subject's own admission, easily clears that threshold. Once the officer viewed the home security footage, reasonable suspicion matured into probable cause under a totality of circumstances analysis. This progression from suspicion to probable cause through corroborated evidence is exactly what the Fourth Amendment contemplates.
No Aaron?
What's that?
No Aaron?
No what?
No Aaron?
No Aaron.
Yeah, that's what.
Who's Aaron?
Aaron.
Who is Aaron? What are you talking about?
A girl. You talked to me earlier, right?
Yeah, I did.
I was looking for a girl named Erin. I thought she went up there.
Who lives there with you?
Me.
Who lives in this house?
My parents.
All right.
Your parents. Do you have an ID on you?
In there.
You can scratch him up.
I know.
Yep.
Alright, you mind just coming over here real quick? Come over here real quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna detain you. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Alright, just don't buck up on me, alright? You buck up on me, you're gonna go to the ground.
Because I knocked on somebody's back door?
So nobody lives there with you can shut that garage door? Or do you have a thing?
I have a thing. I need to. Aaron, is that you?
Do you see, Aaron? Do you see, Aaron?
I don't know.
You don't know? How long have you been awake?
A day.
A day?
Where we going?
Do you see, Aaron?
No, I don't.
Alright, we're gonna walk to this car right here.
What? I want to go in.
We're gonna walk to this car right here.
What did I do?
So right now you're gonna be under arrest for loitering and prowling.
A separate and often misunderstood issue is the admissibility of the subject's statements. Under Miranda v. Arizona, warnings are required only before custodial interrogation begins. The Supreme Court clarified in Berkemer v. McCarty that on-scene Terry questioning is generally non-custodial. Therefore, the subject's volunteered admissions about entering the yard were lawfully obtained without any Miranda advisement. His own words supplied the very element of unusual conduct that the loitering statute requires the officer to prove. This is a recurring pattern. Suspects convict themselves during investigatory stops by attempting to explain away suspicious behavior.
I'm gonna set this on your dash.
Can you show me this one thing? Put your chest in it.
Turning briefly to the practical lessons that this encounter offers for both officers and civilians. For law enforcement, the decisive factor was separating the parties before taking independent statements and preserving digital video evidence. Articulating probable cause through the totality of circumstances rather than any single fact is what makes such an arrest defensible in court. For civilians in the subject's position, the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent exists precisely for moments like this. Answering an officer's questions before consulting counsel is almost never in a suspect's legal interest. And for homeowners, this case demonstrates the evidentiary weight of properly preserved doorbell and security camera footage. Calling dispatch immediately, rather than confronting a suspected intruder in person, remains the safest and most legally sound response. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.